What's up, you guys? It's the real Mountain Dude here again. I just wanted to make a little quick tutorial on how to get your own server. It's not free, it costs money, but it's a very good price depending on the game. I'm just cleaning up my desktop here. Alright. So first of all, open up Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, whatever your browser. Then in Google, you should be typing in Xenon servers. Link in the sidebar. Should be the first one right here. XenonServers.com. And then from here, like for example, if you want to buy a Garry's Mod server, you would go to order. Got some messages. And then you got a bunch of these. You got cPanel, you know, blah 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 blah. All these good things. Alright. Now, for example, let's just click Garry's Mod, because that's one of the best selling ones right now, anyway. You want to go down here where it says billing cycle, and you can go every monthly, every 3 months, and save 5%. Every 6 months, save 10%. Every 12 months, save 15%, which is every year. Now, down here, you want to choose how many people you want to allow in your server. So, for example, 20 would seem like a pretty good one, and your control panel username, meaning like your admin username, you know, you could just put admin, whatever, that. And all these have different prices. Like, let's go monthly. Oops, let's go monthly. That's $17.50 a month. Okay. Now let's go 6 months, or every 3 months. Every 3 months. Alright. Okay. Well, anyway, alright. So let's go every 3 months. 3 months. You know. Save 5%. $50. Start over. Garry's Mod. 6 months. 20. $94, but you save 10%. And then there's every year. And that will cost $178.50 a year. So what you want to do is you want to check out. And then it will ask you for, you know, your first name, last name, email, just entering some random stuff. Password, some random. Okay. Alright, your address, just make up the address, 444 Highway 50. Unit 405, I don't know. Different city, the Dallas, that's where I live. 4721. Oops, 058. You might make sure everything's existing. Don't enter a bunch of stuff if you're actually ordering. Then don't do that. But don't make up a bunch of random stuff like I am right now, because that will not work. Okay, so you have that. And then it brings you to this. Alright, I'll show you all the info, you know, transaction, blah blah blah. So you have that. And then you will, I believe you will get an email telling you to, or yeah, here you go. Never mind. Scratch that. Click on that top right over there, and enter your email. I'm just entering my email, and then enter your password. This is if you have a PayPal account. If not, you will have to make a PayPal account. Maybe I will make a tutorial on that later. and then it's gonna want to ask you your info. Okay. So yeah, it'll ask you your info, and yeah, like your first name, your last name, select a credit card, and yeah, and that's about it. Then you link your card, blah blah blah. Skip it, and then do that. But you need to link your card. Okay, you need to do that. Put your name, link card. This thing's being stupid. And then there you go. It'll ask you for that. Took me forever to just get that. Okay, then enter all your info. Don't worry, PayPal is completely safe. And all that. And that's about it. It'll tell you to enter all that, and then it will probably have your server in the next 12 hours, I believe it is. I'm not completely sure, but I believe that's what it is, in your next 12 hours. Yeah. Since Gary's Mod has been one of the biggest ones, since it's 35 cents a slot, starting at. Yeah, it's been pretty good. And that's about it for the server. And there's millions of other ones you can go to, but Zenon, Xenon, whatever. It's pretty much just cheaper and better. I plan on getting a server on here soon. So yeah, that's about it for how to get yourself a server for the Steam games, such as Gary's Mod, Counter-Strike Source, blah 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 blah. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.